Did you know that just one spoonful of a natural, soil-friendly ingredient can double your plant's growth without any chemical boosters? Nature hides its power in the simplest places, and today, I'll show you a method that works wonders on tomatoes, onions, garlic, peppers, cucumbers, even flowering plants. Take 1 tablespoon of plain oatmeal and grind it into a fine powder. This step is key. It helps nutrients break down faster in the soil. Now, mix that powder into half a liter of warm water and let it sit for 2 to 3 hours. This gives the mixture time to absorb all the nutrients. After soaking, strain the liquid using a fine cloth or sieve. Then, dilute this concentrate with 1.5 liters of clean water. You now have 2 liters of slow-release, nutrient-rich fertilizer. Oatmeal contains nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. Everything your plants need for strong roots, leafy growth, and better yields. It also feeds helpful microbes and improves soil texture, all while being gentle on pH. Apply once a month, especially after planting or during early growth stages. You'll be amazed how quickly your garden responds. Let us know in the comments where you're watching from, and if your plants love this as much as ours do. If this helped, give it a like and subscribe for more easy, nature-powered gardening tips.